Okay, I have started. So,
Record.
yeah. Actually, now today our discussion will be based on laws of chemical combinations.
Sir, you have shared the screen.
Laws of chemical combinations. Okay. Laws of chemical combinations. Same thing. Already we know about it. Uh, so laws of chemical combination, children. So already we know one fact. No. Some is recording, I think, or something is doing some.
Someone is listening in on speaker.
Yeah. Ask him to put out that speaker, please. Okay, it is disturbing a lot. Children, don't listen in speaker. Who is doing like this? Respond. Better use some corrected. Hello, chemistry. Hello. Yeah, done.
I think
sir.
so.
Yes, sir.
Right. So, laws of chemical combination, children. In that we already know that element plus element, more element may be there, and will give you compound. Okay. So element plus element will give you compound. You know very well. Okay, like hydrogen is an element, oxygen is an element, and it will give you H2O. This is a compound. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So not only this, there are so many things are there. Hydrogen plus chlorine gives you HCl. So this is a compound. This is a compound. Okay. So element combined with each other, and
Sir, that will be 2HCl, na sir?
what happened?
Sir, that
सर
will
ये
be
8 CL है
2HCl.
ना सर, वो 2 होगा सर, 2 8 CL होगा ना।
दो होगा।
हाँ सर।
तो वो बैलेंस का प्रॉब्लम बेटा, उसमें बैलेंसिंग का दिक्कत है। उसमें क्या सोचना, जैसे मान लीजिए 2H2O है, यहाँ 2 हो गया, दैट इज डिफरेंट थिंग। लेकिन कंपाउंड तो यही बनेगा ना, HCl।
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो दो चीज याद रखना बेटा हम लोग को पढ़ाई में। एक है क्वालिटी, मतलब क्या बना, और दूसरा याद रखना है क्वांटिटी, मतलब कितना बना। समझ गए?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
सर।
हाँ, तो ये वाला जो पार्ट है, मैंने कितना बार कहा है कि जो मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला होता है बच्चों, है ना, यहाँ एक बॉक्स लिखा रहता है, यहाँ एक बॉक्स, यहाँ एक बॉक्स, ये सब क्वांटिटी बताते हैं ना बेटा, कि कितना
Yes, sir.
कितना मोल। ये उसका नेट चार्ज, ये उसका एटॉमिसिटी। समझ में आई बात?
हाँ सर।
यस सर।
एकदम। हाँ, तो कुछ और एक दो पार्टिसिपेंट रेज करो, उनको भी अनम्यूट करता हूँ।
बहुत सारा है।
सर एक चीज पूछना था सर।
एक मिनट रुक जाओ। हाँ, तो इस बार का पहले मैं एक काम करता हूँ। आज कौन सा दिन है?
सर आज
वेडनेसडे है
वेडनेसडे से
आज वेडनेसडे है। हाँ, चलो एक काम करो। हाँ, पहले सिलेबस लिख लो। सिलेबस लिख लो, इजी होगा आपको। आज 10 तारीख है ना?
हाँ सर 10 तारीख।
ठीक है, तो ये संडे रहा, तो ये रहा आपका सिलेबस। ठीक है, सिलेबस लिखो। All new participants.
थैंक यू सर।
राइट। सो जो सिलेबस है वो है एक, ये जो अब हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं ना बेटा, ये आप ऑलरेडी हम इसके बारे में पहले बता चुके थे। मोल कॉन्सेप्ट, डिड यू रिमेम्बर? हम लोग फ्लो चार्ट ऑफ मोल कॉन्सेप्ट किए हुए।
यस सर।
और अच्छे से अगर इस चैप्टर को बोला जाए तो इसको हम लोग कह सकते हैं सम, ओके, सम बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट, some basic concepts in chemistry. So this will be the chapter you will find
Right,
in
sir.
your, yeah, this will be the chapter you will find in your book. So already we have done lot, but see, everything I am in a proper way. I am taking it in a proper way, simultaneously balanced with all the syllabus, and simultaneously the some basic concept is continuously going on. So some basic concepts in chemistry, and I have already discussed flow chart of mole concept. Now today I will give you more clarity today in this week what we have to complete. Okay, so first one is law of, okay, law of chemical combinations. Okay, and next is law of chemical combinations, and next one is, okay, atomic weight, molecular weight, okay, then molar weight. Molar weight we can write in gram atomic weight, gram molecular weight, gram atomic weight, GAW. What is the full form? Gram atomic weight. GMW, gram molecular weight. And these are nothing. This is simply molar weight. Okay, molar weight. molar weight. So what is this? These are some stylish name for molar weight. If the particle is in atomic form, we can use gram atomic weight. And if the particle is in molecular form, we can use gram molecular weight instead of molar weight. So already I have told you how I have given that skill how to calculate molar weight. Anyhow, but let me introduce the syllabus so that you can prepare yourself. Then based on sometimes these are also known as gram atoms, gram dash atoms, gram dash atoms. These are known as gram molecule also. These are nothing, all are molar weight only, all are molar weight, all are molar weight. Okay, so next is calculations. Calculations based on, based upon, okay, weight and weight relation. Then it is weight and volume, weight and volume. And next is, okay, volume and volume, volume and volume. Okay, then you have to use one more concept that is known as LR. This is known as limiting reagent. Okay, limiting reagent. ER is known as excess reagent. Okay, on this basis also we have to calculate then percentage composition of mixture. Percentage composition, okay, of mixtures. Okay, so we will complete these 5 things, okay, which will come under some basic concept of chemistry. And if you come little bit more this one, you can use in the very beginning. Already we have discussed about Dalton's atomic, okay, Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory. Okay, in after that also Dalton's atomic theory, you can develop some information about that. Already I have discussed about atomic mass unit, okay, molar weight. I have accuracy, okay, precision, significant figures, I think in doubt clearance classes we are continuously using these terms. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. So children, please note it down, okay, or make a screenshot. Some basic concept in chemistry, Dalton's atomic theory, okay, then atomic mass unit, okay, Rakib, okay,
Yes, sir.
So see some basic concept in chemistry. Dalton's atomic theory. No, Rakib, your only voice is disturbing. Okay, Rakib.
Okay, sir. Then I'm using it.
Yeah. So
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
yeah, actually, I was not able to find out the background noise from where it is coming. So I think some technical problem is with Rakib. Okay. Otherwise, he's a sincere student. So Dalton's atomic theory at AMU, accuracy, significant figures. In that, after that, law of chemical combinations. Okay, atomic weight, molecular weight, molar weight. Molar weight, see, I am repeating once again. Molar weight, see, molar weight can be expressed in till now I am unable to find a student who can properly maintain silence, follow protocol of online classes. Okay, children. Now,
Okay, sir.
right. So, so many things are there. So, by today, I think we will complete all. So, we have sufficient time. Okay, sufficient time from 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Okay, we have sufficient time. So, everybody is requested to join. Okay, classes, never miss any class. Okay, so some basic concept in chemistry: Dalton's atomic theory, AMU, accuracy, significant figure, law of chemical combination, then molar weight. Molar weight can be expressed in gram atomic weight, gram molecular weight, simply gram molecule, simply gram atom. Okay, all are molar weight only. Then calculation based on weight and weight, weight and volume, volume and volume. Okay, limiting reagent, then excess reagent, then percentage composition of mixtures like this.
Okay,
So,
sir.
okay. Now let us give some informations so that we can move forward.
Sir, this is the syllabus for the next exam.
Coming week.
Okay, sir.
Already, there is no need to get panic because already we have discussed it. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
More or less we have to discuss. Now we have to just finish it off in a proper way. Okay, so first of all, I would like to do law of chemical combinations. Law of chemical combinations. This law is purpose for this activity, children. Element plus element gives you what?
Compound.
Compound. During this process, children, during this process of formation of compound. Now I have introduced in skill 1 what is compound. So
Yes,
compound,
sir.
yeah, compound is made up of a heteromolecule. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today I couldn't find Kritika.
Sir, I think Kritika is in BPC class, sir.
Okay, okay. Then any active participant, one or more participant, raise your hand. Let me see who I can select. I can unmute everybody, but the thing is that no. Deepak Kumar. Deepak Kumar, unmute yourself. Deepak Kumar. Shivaji Chatterjee. Can you maintain proper silence in background?
Yes, sir.
Let us. So,
Yes, sir.
right.
Yes, sir.
Law of chemical combination. So, element plus element gives you compound. Now you know how to identify which one is element. Okay, which thing is known as compound. So there is no need of any further information. But the thing is that first of all, let me write what are the laws. Why? Because whenever this element combines with other elements, this is element number 1, this is element number 2. When element combines with other elements, they follow certain rules, children. They follow certain rules. They have to follow certain rules. They have to follow certain rules. So that rules are known as law of chemical combinations. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When we follow traffic rules, when we are riding a vehicle, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So these are rules when element combines with other element to form a compound. So let us see what are that rules first. Okay, then we will start, or otherwise one by one I can write. Number 1, you write down the rules name first. Then we will try to understand what they are telling. Okay, children, write down. 5 laws are there, children.
5.
5 laws.
Sir, when a compound react with element, is it applicable?
Yes, it is applicable when element reacts with element to form a compound, and when again compound is formed, again it want to react with some element, again it will give you another compound. So it is rule for everybody. But final compound should be formed from element. It can be done in single step or it can be done in multiple steps. Okay, children, did you understand?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, you have to install that. How many law of chemical combinations are there? So please start telling that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rules are there.
5.
5 rules are there. Okay.
5 rules.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
And that so that rules are the law of, write down,
Yes, sir.
the law of conservation of mass. Conservation of mass. Number 2, okay, law of definite composition. कोई दिक्कत है?
No,
Law of
sir.
definite composition. Law of definite composition. Number 3, law of multiple proportion. Law of multiple proportions. And number 4, law of reciprocal, okay, proportions, and finally, okay, finally, Gay-Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac's law. Okay. Law of combining volumes of gases. So Gay-Lussac's law is especially created for reaction of gases in form of elements.
Sir, Avogadro's law is not included, sir.
This is a universal law. We will write, okay, the Avogadro's law. So Avogadro's law. Okay, shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Finally, you will find that this law is somehow related with this law. Okay, so when we will study Gay-Lussac's law, I will tell that it is related with Avogadro's law. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, so today what we have done? First of all, we have started preparing for the coming exam. So I gave you a proper clarity about the syllabus. This will be the syllabus. Along with the previous syllabus, some percentage may come. Okay, cumulative questions. Okay, okay, children. See, we cannot ignore the previous syllabus also. So the thing is that we have to add new things, but we cannot forget the old things, old concepts. So that's why cumulative plus present week syllabus will be also there. Cumulative syllabus will also there. Like this, it will be going on. So you have to keep eye and concentration on each and everything, present and previous everything. So in that, we have done already this Dalton atomic theory. The particles, all matter is made up of tiny particles which are known as atoms. Atoms cannot be divided further. Okay, but we know that nowadays that atom can be divided further. Okay, so anyhow, it was the concept of Dalton's. So today also we are using it. AMU, atomic mass unit. You know the value of AMU. What is the value of AMU? So this will be coming 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. This is the weight of nearby weight of proton and neutron, which is the repeating unit in the mass of atom or a molecule. Okay, children. So anyhow, then regarding accuracy, precision, and significant figure, I think I have given on that particular day. If not, again today doubt clearer classes, you just remind me, I will give you the chart, okay, how to find out the significant figures. It's very easy. So today we'll keep a total focus on law of chemical combinations. So what I was telling that you have a clear concept, law of chemical combination, then molar mass, so many names are there. So, and then calculation, weight by weight, volume, everything. So you will understand what this type of calculations are. Okay, meeting reagent, excess reagent, percentage composition of mixture, and everything. So let us begin the task. So the law of conservation of mass we have to study. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass. So I think before telling anything, just you start using it. Use this law, then automatically you will get the theory part. Okay, use. What is that use? So just you write down what you say, calcium carbonate, and heat it. You will get what?
CaO plus CO2.
Carbon dioxide plus CaO. Okay. Now the question is, okay, see what this law is telling. Okay. So law of chemical combination, but it is telling about something, relation of weight from the left hand side and right hand side, children. So this law is telling that in any situation, okay, 99.98% every time, okay, the weight of, the total weight, or better write mass, the total mass of mass of reactants, not only reactant, okay, reactant, the total mass of reactants is always equal to the total mass
Of product.
total mass of products, total mass. Means, okay, quality is changed. Quality, calcium carbonate is different and calcium oxide is different, carbon dioxide is different, but the weight remains constant. Okay. So in daily life we use this law. Okay, so we are not using that Einstein equation. Okay, Einstein equation. Did you remember what is Einstein equation? Anybody can tell me?
What?
E equal to Deepak Kumar.
Square. Sorry, equals to MC square.
MC square. Sir, E equals to MC square.
E equal to
MC square.
MC square. This is Einstein equation. So here this is weight, children. This is weight, and this is energy.
Yes, sir.
So if mass, if we are destroying mass, okay, then whole thing will be converted into energy. If mass is destroyed, so immediately it will convert into energy. So this is different thing. So don't mixed, because sometime because of some mishandling about teaching and all, immediately they don't know what effect will take place in the delicate minds of children. Okay, immediately some people may use this equation and they may create a big confusion among students. So I'm requesting you all, don't get confusion with this equation. When time will come, I will tell you how a mass is converted into energy. That is different format. Okay, so please don't argue with this equation unnecessarily. Try to understand what we are doing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So law of conservation of mass means we are telling that every time the weight, every chemical reaction, the weight of the reactant and the weight of the product, okay, is remain same. That's why I told you 99.8% this thing will take place. Okay. So 0.2% I have take consideration of Einstein equation. So don't just get any confusion. So anyhow, can I move forward?
Yes, sir.
So what will happen by knowing this? So see, I am writing one thing. Already this technique I have told you several times. Calcium carbonate. This is a molecule, children. So I told you there are 3 boxes. Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
This is telling oxidation number. This is telling atomicity. atomicity,
And number of
this
particles.
one number of particles, number of particles, or we can tell that number of moles. Number of moles.
Moles.
You remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now according to the situation, if they are asking about oxidation number, we will use this part. They are asking about some atomicity, we'll use this one. If they are telling some quantity, weight and everything, so we will use this one. Because once we know the moles, children, once we know the moles, we can know about everything. Volume at STP, we can calculate about weight, we can calculate about number of particles. This is known as flow chart. So for this, I have given you already. I have given you beautiful equations. Okay. So
Yes,
how you
sir.
can calculate? So number of particle is equal to number of mole into Avogadro's number. Volume at STP is equal to number of mole into 22.4 liter per mole. Yeah, weight is equal to number of molar mass. Okay, and you can like in same way you can come back also. So once we know the moles, so this is the part where we will come to about the moles. So we can read this equation in this manner. 1 mole of calcium carbonate when heated give you 1 mole of carbon dioxide plus 1 mole of calcium oxide. And when we able to as we able to know the value of N, we can calculate the W also. We can tell the same thing in form of language. See, I know the molar weight of calcium carbonate is 100 gram. So I can tell like this also, that if 100 gram of calcium carbonate is heated, okay, it will give you 44 gram of carbon dioxide and 56 gram of calcium oxide. And if you monitor, you will find that this side, left hand side 100 gram and the total weight in right hand side, okay,
100 gram.
Time to add it, but you will find that this is also 100 gram. Did you understand?
Yes,
so this law of conservation of mass is telling like this. Okay, its intention is like this. What will be the benefit of this? The benefit of this is, suppose by mistake we couldn't calculate the mass of calcium oxide. Okay, or okay, then we can easily find out. Say if you have heated 100 gram of calcium carbonate, I got 44 gram of carbon dioxide. I don't know how much calcium oxide will be formed. So immediately you can use this formula. 100 gram is equal to 44 gram plus X gram. Okay.
X gram. 100 minus 44.
Yeah, this law will give you a 100% boosting about using of this formula. That every time the left hand side mass and right hand side mass, total mass, okay, total masses of left hand side and total masses of right hand side is always remain same. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay, like this you have to continue. So I think the time is over.
Yes, sir.
We'll continue in the next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye bye.